Hi guys, Steph here. Now, about 5 months ago I showed you a pen haul and I showed you two pens, and here they are here. As you can see, the one on the left is, well, they're both jade green. The one on the left is actually a Parker Dufol. You can see it's very discoloured, which is common for these pens. But the one on the right, as you can see there, is quite nice. So what I thought I'd do is actually just give it a clean up and put a new sack in it. And here's the pen in question. Now cleaned, new sack, and it's absolutely stunning. Hey, it's gorgeous. So what have we got here? What is it? Yes, I know it's a pen, but who made this pen? The reason I'm asking, the pen has got it's got no barrel imprint, no imprint on the clip, so I cannot identify the pen. The only thing I can say, as you can see, it comes in this jade green colour, and the colour is gorgeous throughout the pen. But who made this pen? Now, first of all, as I said, it's jade green. The size of it is 133 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a tad over 12 millimeters in diameter. Now, for me personally, I'm asking the question, is it a Parker? Is it a Parker flat top? Because it's got a lot of similarities. I mean, the first similarity being that it's jade green. As I say, it's a flat top. You can see it's got this button to the top there. You can see it's got the knurling on the top of the cap there. The clip itself is, yeah, as it should be of that particular period. It's got a ball clip. And when I'm saying period, I'm dating the pen 1920s, early 1930s. Also, if we look at the cap there, it's got these two cap bands to the end of the cap. And then if we go to the other side of the pen, you can see, again, the blind cap's got this little bit of knurling to the very end there as well, which again, very reminiscent, of a Parker pen. And if we undo the blind cap for you there, you can see, yeah, it's a button-filled fountain pen. As you can see, everything is lovely and clean now. As I say, I fully restored it, clean. It didn't need a lot of work, but it's now looking absolutely stunning. If we take the cap off for you, give you a couple of the customary twirls of the pen. Okay, now another reason it may be a Parker, look at this section there. It's very, very much a Parker section with slightly small, it's got this slightly raised edge to the very top there. Now this is where it sort of ends, if you like. It's got a warranted 14 carat first quality number 2 nib, but a lovely sized nib, quite a large nib, as you can see there. There's a sideways view. Now underneath, it's got quite what I would term, a standard feed underneath, as you can see there. And if it was a Dufol or a Parker, I'd expect maybe the Christmas tree feed underneath. But all in all, an absolutely gorgeous pen, nice and comfortable, a large pen as well. But I'm asking the question once again, who made this pen? Was it one of the pens from the period when you know, the likes of maybe Lang and Company or Curzon Limited of Liverpool, when they made pens for different manufacturers. I don't know. Is it some sort of a Parker, you know, one that slipped through? I don't know. As I say, no barrel imprint, as you can see. But once again, this gorgeous jade green colour, no discolouring, as you can see. So was it, or is it a pen made from the permanite material that the Dufolds were made of? I do not know. All I know, it's an absolutely stunning pen, and I'd be interested to find out who made this pen. So if any of you people know out there, get in touch. So what we'll do, okay, as I say, it's a button filler. So let's take the blind cap off. Let's dip the nib in the ink and let's just give it some ink. Okay, I'm hoping you could hear that slight gurgling, bubbling sound, which is precisely what we like to hear. Now, this is the first time, as always, I'm testing the pen. As I say, I've just finished it yesterday. It's now ready to go. Now, I say ready to go. It is a stunning pen, and I don't know whether to keep the pen or not in my collection. I don't know. I'm undecided, but let's try and see how the pen writes. So what we've got is a, I was going to say Parker, but we don't know. A fountain pen in jade green. As I say, I'm dating it sort of 1920s, maybe early 1930s. Is it made in England? Again, we do not know. It's writing very nicely. Does it have any flex? Maybe. If we put a little bit of pressure. Yeah, there's a little bit of variation, but all in all, look at that. A lovely, lovely writer. Writing, I would say, with a sort of fine line, little bit of pressure, just slight variation in the line. So just a little bit of flex, but a gorgeous, gorgeous writer. So what we'll do, we'll swill the pen out after the video, clean it all out with water. But look at that. Most of these pens you'll find totally discoloured. This one, all the way through, the jade green is absolutely gorgeous. No discolouring, no cracks. But once again, who made this pen? Is it a Parker? Is it a Parker Dufold that slipped through, you know, in the factory or something? I don't know. With, you know, as I say, no barrel imprint, no imprint on the cap, nothing on the clip there. But if you look at some of the parts, they look very much like Parker pen, a Parker Dufold. So yeah, if any of you people know, please leave a comment. Please share with all the rest of us. We'd like to know who made this gorgeous, gorgeous pen. So, I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel as well, and you don't miss any videos. And just below there, please give the video a thumbs up. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this stunning pen. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.